Did you know your smartphone can work as a digital tape measure? Yes, you can measure distances, objects, and even entire rooms using just your phone's camera. Whether you're decorating a room, buying new furniture, or doing a DIY project, this simple trick can save you time and effort. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your phone into a powerful measuring tool. Let's start with how it works. Modern phones use a combination of AR technology, depth sensors, and your camera to detect surfaces and calculate distance. Apps like Measure on iPhone and Google Measure or AR Ruler on Android allow your phone to understand real-world objects and measure them accurately. Step 1. Open the measuring app. If you're using an iPhone, open the Measure app. It's already built in. On Android, you can use Google Measure, AR Ruler, or any AR-based measuring app from the Play Store. Step 2. Move your phone to calibrate. Point your camera at the floor or any flat surface. Move your phone slowly so the app can scan the space. You'll see dots or grids appear. That means it's detecting surfaces. Step 3. Tap to start measuring. Once the app recognizes the surface, tap the screen to place your first point. Then move your phone to the end of the object you want to measure and tap again. The app will instantly display the distance. Step 4. Measure height, length, and depth. Most apps let you measure more than just straight lines. You can measure the height of a door, measure the width of a table, check room dimensions, see how tall someone is, measure packages for shipping. Step 5. Save or screenshot your results. If you're planning a project or comparing furniture sizes, take a screenshot or save the measurement inside the app. This is useful when shopping or redesigning a room. Tips for better accuracy. Always use good lighting. Hold your phone steady. Measure from a clear angle. Recalibrate if the app seems off. Avoid reflective or shiny surfaces. Using your phone as a digital tape measure is fast, convenient, and surprisingly accurate. So the next time you need to measure something, skip the traditional tape and let your phone do the work. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.